Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video, I want to share with you, this is a part one to a video that I did, a series. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave in the description section below. This is the one, right? So this is part two of that series, and I'm doing a series on solo ads, and I'm sharing with you tips and tricks how you can use solo ads to be able to build your email list and to be able to promote your affiliate products or services or offers that you have and be able to make money. Because it's one thing to actually buy traffic, and it's a totally different thing to actually make sale out of that traffic, right? Every list that actually comes onto your funnel, onto your list, they should be able to convert in the long run, right? And solo ad is not a push button strategy that you're gonna be starting today and you're gonna be making millions of dollars. It takes time, and it all depends on your email segmenting and how you actually follow up with your leads, right? So make sure you stay all the way till the end of this video, because at the end I'll be showing with you something very awesome, and I'll personally share with you the step-by-step details for you to be able to use my secret vendor that I've been using to be able to build my email list and to be able to make a ton of money, right? So make sure you stay all the way till the end, right? So let's get started on solo ads and how you can actually get results with solo ad. This is some one trick that I have been able to use, and use this actual platform and be able to buy very cheap leads, and but these leads are 100% from tier 1 country, right? So what people actually don't actually know is if they actually start affiliate marketing business, they just come to Udemy and they actually just go to find sellers, right? And this is what I used to do in the beginning stage, like, because I didn't know how to use this platform and how I can maximize my profit margins, right? Because like I said, when we actually buying solo ads, we need to be making money in the long run, right? So it's a long-term business that we actually building. So, and the less we actually pay for traffic, the more money we're gonna be making, right? So this is what I used to do before. I just used to come find sellers. I just used to do this filter, right? And I just used to find a particular buyer, for example this one, Gabe, and I just used to go ahead and buy his traffic, right? So let's just pretend we actually buying from Thomas, right? Let's just pretend I'm buying from Thomas, right? So I'll just used to go to just buy solo ads, right? And in here you can actually see how much clicks you want, right? So in here, every vendor have the minimum that you can actually buy from them. So let's, for example, say this is the minimum that they can accept your order, right? So what I used to do, I used to just come here and I just used to put my link in here and just check out, right? And I didn't even know this, that I was making a huge mistake and I was just throwing money, right? And you might be doing the same thing, but something that I'm gonna be sharing with you, you're actually gonna be blown away if you haven't done this yourself, right? So as an example, for this 175 clicks, we actually paying $100, $106 at the moment, right? But if I actually go to solo deals, you'll actually see how much money we're gonna be saving, right? So let's say Thomas Freeman is here, and I'll go and just to show you what I actually mean. So I just used to go buy traffic, right? And I'll just change this to 175, and right. So I can see before we used to pay $106, and this is like probably $20 or $30 difference right there, right? Which you're gonna be saving, right? But this is something that you need to do if you want to get buyers onto your buying your products or offers that you're actually promoting. You need to be ticking this box here, which is very important, because if you're not ticking this box, these buyers going to be coming from all over the world, right? And you don't want that. You want only the top tier countries, people actually coming to your email list, so they have more chances of buying traffic from you, right? By whatever you actually offering to them, right? So make sure you tick this box and make sure. So again, did you see that last time I think it was $106, but we actually didn't, so now it's $104. But if I go to find sellers, if I click on that, I'm pretty sure that amount will actually go up. That amount will actually go up because I didn't actually tick that box. So let's see. And $104, so I just want you to remember that, right? So buy solo, and I'll go to 175, right? 175, I'll tick this box. So I can see $104, that's like 14. So it's like $20 you're actually saving just by using one person, right? And with the solo ad deals. So make sure you check this out. Not all the sellers will actually go to solo ad deals. So make sure you always check that out. And that way you actually get the best results from these solo ads and be able to save a bit of money, right? So now I'll share with you this awesome vendor that actually reached out to me. I've been using him for a very long time, like here and there, but now he's also reached out to me. So I just wanted to show you this message. So he actually reached out to me. You might know Jess, right? He's been in the industry for very, very long time. Well-known guy, and he's also mentored a lot of people in the online space. He actually reached out to me, say, "Hey buddy, how's it going?" I said, "Hey bro," and he said, "Yes, how are you, man? We need to go get you some killer traffic," right? I said, "Yeah, what? You know what? What do you mean? How can I buy this traffic?" And here's what he said. He said, "We have a special right now, and this is a big news they actually sent out to me. I just reloaded 100K free buyers leads. Traffic is on fire. Let me know if you want to grab a slot. They'll go fast and sweeten the deal. They have a 20% discount going on, right? Off 20%, all right, at checkout. So if you want to grab this traffic, I highly recommend it because these brand new fresh buyers leads nobody has access to, so you can be the first to sell to them, you know. So when we actually buy traffic, those people actually, we don't know if they have bought anything online or not, right? And Jess has actually giving us a deal where we can actually get a buyer's list onto our buyer's email, right? So, and when we have a buyer's leads, buyer's email, that's where we're gonna be making a lot of money because we're gonna be promoting one offer and another offer they're gonna be buying, and it's like a relationship we actually building with our buyers, right? If you're not actually building a buyer's list, especially if you're doing solo ads, you're leaving a ton of money on the table, right? So here's what I do. I actually segment all my list, and also if, for example, someone actually buys anything I'm offering out there, if it's like $1 product, $2 product, $7 product, I just want to get that buyer to lead to actually convert and buy something, right? Once they actually buy, I put them onto my buyers list, right? And that's when I start building up a relationship with them. Like I share valuable content, valuable videos that I'm actually learning, like including this video I'm going to be sharing with them, right? So if you want to know how you can actually buy this traffic from Jess, I'll leave a link in the description so I can check it out and let me know. Thank you so much, and bye for now.